Now we have latest version of WordPress. Just we should install two plugins in this WordPress. First is go to the plugin section, then click add new. First we should install classic editor. Click on install now, then activate it. Then again click on add new plugin, and right here all in one migration, and find this plugin. Here is all-in-one VP migration. Click on install now, then click activate. Here is now we should install in this section all-in-one VP migration. Click on it, and we should import our template here. Click on import, then import file, then find your template package. In your template package you can find all-in-one migration folder, and into this folder you find one file, and click then open and start migration. We should wait. It depends how fast your server is. It is very easy. Preparing import. Now click on proceed and wait again. That's fine, finish. Now click on setting and permalinks. You should use your admin, then your password. Click update, and in the permalink section setting, click 2 times, save changes, 1 time and 2 times. Now you can see your template has been installed successfully with all contents, and it works fine.